Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 21 and 22 of class 6 subject GK. Phobias. Now, what are phobias? Phobias are that from which we fear. Okay, we have fear from those things, that is phobia. Okay, first one. Here, fear of anything is referred to as phobia. Write the names of the phobia against its type. Hint box is given for your assistance. Now here the hint box is given to you. You have to write the name of the phobia, that what is the fear of vegetables, sun, frog, etc. Okay children, now this is your homework. Tell me what fear of animals is known as. Fear of rain or being in rain is known as, and fear of driving is known as. Now starting with the first one, fear of vegetable is known as, it is lechanophobia. So write LACHANOPHOBIA. Next one, fear of sun is known as heliophobia. So write HELIOPHOBIA. Third one, fear of frog is known as, it is homichlophobia. So write HOMICHLOPHOBIA. Next is fourth one, fear of small things is known as, it is microphobia. PHOBIA. Fifth one, fear of string is known as, it is linonophobia. LINONOPHOBIA. Sixth one, fear of music is known as melophobia. MELOPHOBIA. Seventh one, fear of sitting down is known as kathisophobia. KATHISOPHOBIA. Next one, fear of going to a doctor is known as latrophobia. LATROPHOBIA. Ninth one, fear of water is known as hydrophobia. Right? HYDROPHOBIA. Tenth one, fear of cooking is known as magicrophobia. MAGIROCOPHOBIA. 11th, fear of height is known as aerophobia. AEROPHOBIA. Now, coming to the chapter number 22, famous scientist. Now, given below are the famous works of the scientist and their pictures. Guess the name of the scientist by reading the clues and look at the picture. Use the hint box. Now, here are the clues given to you. You have to just write the names. Okay? Now, first one, he gave zero to the world and the first Indian satellite was named after him. Who is he? He is Aryabhat. So you have to write here ARYABHATTA. Second one, he created an artificial jinn and was awarded the Nobel Prize for Medicine in 1968. Who was he? He was Hargobind Khurana. So write HARGOBIND GOBINDKHORONA. Next, third one, he invented the Raman effect. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics. Who is he? He is Sir C.V. Raman. So write SIR Sir C.V.RAMAN. Fourth one, he was the 4th century surgeon and physician. He wrote a book on medicine in which he described over 300 surgical procedures. Now, who was he? It was Sushruta. So write SUSHRUTTA, Sushruta. Fifth one, he was a great nuclear scientist. He is remembered as a leading figure in the development of nuclear physics. Who was he? Raja Raman. RAJA, Raja. RAMANNA, Ramanan. Sixth one, he was a mathematical wizard. He contributed to the number theory and functions. Who was he? He was Srinivasa Ramanujan. So write SRINIVAS, Srinivasa Ramanujan. Okay, RAMANJUAN. Last but not the least, seventh one, he was Republic for setting up of nuclear reactors in India. He contributed to the theories of cosmic rays and structure of atoms. He was Homi J. Bhabha. So write HOMIJ.BHA Bhabha. Did you know, children, Chakra was a court physician of King Kanishka. His valuable writings on Hindu medicine are compiled in a book called Chakra Samhita. Now children, you have to complete your chapter number 21 and chapter number 22 in your textbooks on page 28 and page number 29 with a very beautiful and neat handwriting, and you have to learn also these phobias and the famous scientists. So thank you.